Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI kiss video. This is a little example. The photos I use are AI generated. So let's start. Go to the app. I'll show you the app name in the end of the video. So click on AI tools right here, then choose kissing, click try it now, then add image right here, then click create right here. It should take 1 or 2 minutes. So the video is ready. It took 1 minute to be done. So thank you for watching. The app called AI Video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.